Hello guys, today I'm coming up with analog stuff where we are going to replace the dead motherboard of a CRT TV with the new one. Actually, this is a kind of old TVs which are very scarce these days because in some places they are no longer being used. A lot of people prefer flat type than CRT, and I recommend reading this block diagram if you are a beginner in CRT stuff. During the time I was repairing this dead board, I found some fault components in the oscillator circuit of the primary side that led to the insufficient voltage on the secondary side, and I was out of the exact components to replace, so I managed to change the whole board. So here I have a new motherboard that I have recently received from China, and it comes with all the accessories necessary to make it ready to be used. The new motherboard has a video connector, push buttons, the remote control, deflection yoke connector, the new flyback transformer, and the infrared receiver. The microprocessor of the new board is from Toshiba, and that of the old board is from TCL, but that doesn't matter. Each motherboard does have the components from different companies. Firstly, I made a custom PCB with push buttons that could fit at the place where the old buttons were located, and I ended up by soldering them. I also desoldered the infrared with the LED in order to place them at the right place as those ones from the old board. Secondly, I started soldering the deflection yoke connector, respecting the vertical and the horizontal coil connection. If you are a bit complicated, try following the same color codes and make sure to ground the high tension coil before any servicing. Failing to do so may lead to death or other kind of serious injuries. Later on, I connected the vertical deflection yoke connector to the board and the horizontal connector as well. Next, I hooked up the high tension cable to the cathode ray tube. And finally, I made a simple connection of the degaussing coil connector suitable with the board. And connected it to the power. Then it worked. In conclusion, you shouldn't throw away your dead CRT TV. Just follow these procedures and I'm sure it will work for you too. See you and subscribe to my channel for the updates.